Hey everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So I realized that I haven't even shown anybody the inside of the trunk on this beast yet. I haven't touched it in a couple days. We've had some very rainy weather and I've been sick, but I'm feeling better now, so that's a good thing. But anyway, I also need to get some trunk springs. For some reason the springs are missing, so the trunk deck lid doesn't stay up on its own. You have to use a broomstick, so that's what that's for. But anyway, let me pop the trunk and show you guys what's up. We also had to drill out the trunk lock right there because there are no keys for it. So I have already placed an order and gotten my new trunk lock from Caddy Daddy, which is nice. They're very quick about things. So brand new trunk lock with new keys. Very happy about that. Got to get it installed. But anyway, let me pop the trunk and show you guys the inside. Okay guys, so here's the inside of the trunk, all original. So I just got my broomstick holding that up because like I said, I need to get springs for it. But anyway, that'll happen. So here's the inside, just all original trunk liner, falling down in a few places, as you guys can see, but all there, nice and dusty. I have not even vacuumed the inside of the trunk yet. Obviously, as you guys can see, it's, completely dirty. But just another place that I haven't quite gotten to yet, but we are getting there. But like I said, I just realized the other day that I hadn't even shown you guys yet anything on the inside of the trunk. So trunk seal looks good. And then another thing too, commonly 59s rust out along that edge. And this one is beautiful. So I'm so thankful that this car is not rusty because I do not want to deal with rust. So very glad about that. But anyway, guys, there's the inside of the trunk. Thanks for joining on this short video. See you next time.